Life was trying, but it wasn't working out. As the late Devonian period dragged on, more and more living things died out, culminating in one of the greatest mass extinction events our planet has ever witnessed, approximately 359 million years ago. The culprit responsible for so much death may not have been local, scientists now say. In fact, it might not have even come from our solar system. Rather, a new study led by astrophysicist Brian Fields from the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign suggests this great extinguisher of life on Earth could have been a distant and completely foreign phenomenon, a dying star, exploding far across the galaxy, many light-years away from our own remote planet. Sometimes, mass die-offs like the late Devonian extinction are thought to be triggered by exclusively terrestrial causes, a devastating volcanic eruption, for instance, which chokes the planet into lifelessness. Or, it could be a deadly visitor barging in from out of town, an asteroid collision, like the kind that took out the dinosaurs. Death from space, however, could ultimately come from far more remote places. The overarching message of our study is that life on Earth does not exist in isolation, Fields says. We are citizens of a larger cosmos, and the cosmos intervenes in our lives, often imperceptibly, but sometimes ferociously. In their new work, Fields and his team explore the possibility that the dramatic decline in ozone levels coinciding with the late Devonian extinction might not have been a result of volcanism or an episode of global warming. Instead, they suggest it's possible the biodiversity crisis exposed in the geological record could have been caused by astrophysical sources, speculating that the radiation effects from a supernova, or multiple, approximately 65 light-years from Earth may have been what depleted our planet's ozone to such disastrous effect. It may be the first time such an explanation has been put forward for the late Devonian extinction, but scientists have long considered the potentially deadly repercussions of near-Earth supernovas in this kind of context. Speculation that supernovas could trigger mass extinctions dates back to the 1950s. In more recent times, researchers have debated the estimated kill distance of these explosive events, with estimates ranging between 25 to 50 million light-years. In their new estimates, though, Fields and his co-authors propose that exploding stars from even farther away could have harmful effects on life on Earth, through a possible combination of both instantaneous and long-lived effects. Supernovae, SN, are prompt sources of ionizing photons, extreme UV, X-rays, and gamma rays, the researchers explain in their paper.